Do you know what is the difference between the left and the right hand solution here? If you look at the behavior of the mobile robots, you can see over here that you have a lot of unnecessary driving forwards and backwards between the pickup position over here. And the right hand side, we do not see this behavior. And what's the reason for it? Basically in the, let's say, source of the product. So if we go in here, we can see that there is a slight delay between when the mobile robot arrives and when there is a product to pick. So basically in the right hand solution, we anticipate that there will be a product to be picked over here. So I basically create a work statement to summon a mobile robot here and then to pick it up. But you can see that I'm also doing the same thing on the left hand side where we do not see this behavior. So I have a work statement, but then a mobile robot leaves again. And another mobile robot comes and picks up the product. And the difference comes from these reserve and release resource signals that we are using here. So basically we're sending a signal to the mobile robot controller to reserve the first resource that comes here, and it will be reserved, meaning that it cannot be used for anything else and nobody else can come here until we get to the release resource statement. And it basically means that we get the first mobile robot to go over here and we do our process, then we wait for the product to come, we pick it up, and then we are released. And therefore we have a much better situation on the right hand side than what we have on the left hand side from this simple reserve and release statement. I also use these a lot when I do manual operations, so that the first operator that gets to a table is basically reserved for that table, so that when he or she is picking and placing items, he or she will always do that to that table, but not going anywhere else in the factory. Just like what you would do in normal life, right?